Still about trigonometry, next example is solve giving all solutions between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. And this is the equation. 6 times square of cos x plus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's find the solutions. First, to make it easier, let a becomes cos x. Okay, you can use any variable that you want, it is up to you, but I will use a to represent cos x. So we only have to replace cos x with a. Yeah, so it becomes 6a squared plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have 6a squared plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. And it is quadratic equation. 6a squared plus a minus 1 is equal to 0 can be factorized completely. It can be factorized. So let's find the factorization. 3a, and then this is 2a, and then 1, I think minus, and this is positive. So let's check the answer. 3a times 2a is 6a squared, correct? And then 3a times 1 is 3a, and then negative 1 times 2a is negative 2a. 3a plus negative 2a is plus a, correct? And then minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. So this is the correct factorization. We already factorized 6a squared plus a minus 1 is equal to 0 completely. It becomes 3a minus 1 times 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. So either 3a minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so 3a minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's solve this equation first. We have 3a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 over 3. And then this one, 2a is equal to negative 1. So a is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, so let's do this part first. Remember that a represents cos x. So we can we can replace a with cos x. So cos x is equal to 1 over 3. And for this part, cos x is equal to negative half. Okay, get it? And then, so let's solve this equation first. First, we have cos x is equal to 1 over 3. If you see this, cos x is 1 over 3. It is a positive. So, because cos x is positive, the possible answers, possible values of x can be in quadrant 1 or x can be in quadrant 4. Okay, so let's find the value of x. So x, we can use calculator. So one over 3. Okay, 70.5. I'll write it here. 70.5 degrees. It had been, it is not exact value. It had been rounded off to 1 decimal place. Okay, 70.5 degrees is in quadrant 1. We have another possible value of x where x is in quadrant 4. So to find the value of x, we can use this formula. So cos theta is equal to cos 360 degrees minus theta. So we can use this formula to find another value of x. So cos 70.5 degrees is equal to cos 360 degrees minus 70.5 degrees. Okay, so another possible value of x is this 360 degrees minus 70.5 degrees. So x is 289.5 degrees. This is the possible value of x where x is in quadrant 4. Yeah, so this part is done. Next, we have this. Cos x is equal to negative half. Cos x is equal to negative half. Because cos is positive, so the possible values of x can be in quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. Okay, so let's find the value of x. (120 degrees). So from our calculator, we find that the value of x is 120 degrees, where 120 degrees is in quadrant 2. Okay, and then we can find another possible value of x where x is in quadrant 3. So we will use this formula, the same formula. So I will rewrite the formula. Cos theta is cos 360 degrees minus theta. So cos 120 degrees is equal to cos 360 degrees minus 120 degrees. So x is equal to this 360 minus 120. So x is 240 degrees. And this is the value of x where x is in quadrant 3. So all solutions between 0 degrees and 360 degrees for this equation is 70.5 degrees and then 120 degrees and then 240 degrees and 289.5 degrees. Done. Okay, so yeah, we already found all solutions between 0 degrees and 360 degrees for these equations. Please write your question, if any, in a comment. Thank you.